Okay, so today we're down here at Disney Springs, which is Disney World's downtown. And we actually came down here to ride the balloon in the background there, but because the weather is a little off, it's windy, they're not going up right now, so probably won't be able to ride it today. But that's a ride that's worth taking if you can get down here when the weather is good. Okay, we'll take a walk around and check it out. That dome there is the Planet Hollywood restaurant. We're walking over the bridge. There's lots of restaurants and shops. There's the balloon. Goes up to about 400 feet. So this is the Boathouse Restaurant. This is one of our more favorite restaurants right here, the Boathouse. You can also take a ride in one of these cars. They go out into the water. I believe it's $125 to ride it. You can get 3 people in it. Here's the Terralina. This is an Italian restaurant. It does have an outside bar over there and good food. We've eaten there. We enjoyed it. I recommend it. And then here we have the Paddlefish Restaurant. Looks like a old New Orleans paddle steamer turned into a restaurant. Coming up on the right is the T-Rex Restaurant. Very popular place for people that want to eat. See out there on the lake, you see that little red car? That's what left from the boathouse, as I was talking about a little earlier. You can ride in that those cars and go out on the lake. So it's like a car turned into a boat. It's pretty cool. Here's the front of the T-Rex Restaurant. Here's the Lego store. There in the distance on the other side of the lake is Saratoga Springs Resort, which is one of Disney's resorts. Over here, right next to the Disney Lego store, is the World of Disney store. It's the biggest store in here by far. Obviously, it's owned by Disney. It has full of Disney merchandise. Here they have a little stage. They have live music here from time to time. See over there, the volcano is the Rainforest Cafe. Another popular spot for people that want to eat. So the little train there does run when it's busier. Right now we're here on a Thursday morning early, so there's not too many people here. I know on the weekends it runs. Around the corner here is a carousel too that little kids can ride. It's probably not running right now, nope. But I know on the weekends when it's really busy, it runs. Here is the Rainforest Cafe. So I've seen on Facebook groups for Disney that people ask if downtown Disneyland and Disney Springs are kind of the same. Well, they are and they aren't. Downtown Disney Springs here in Orlando is probably 3 times as big as the one in Disneyland. A lot more shops, restaurants. Like it has this big lake here. So it's definitely worth coming to visit if you're here visiting the parks and you're wondering if you should come down here to Disney Springs. You definitely should. You can ride the buses from the resorts. Unfortunately, I don't think any of the buses from the parks come directly to Disney Springs. This is the Raglan Rd Irish Pub. Another popular place for people to eat, drink, and hang out. Okay, so this Coca Cola building here, they have a store in there, and then up on the 3rd floor on the top, you see the ceiling fans. There's an awesome bar up there, and it's a really cool place to go and have a drink. Just take in the view. You can see there's a parking garage there. Disney has a lot of parking garages. Parking is free. Drive down here. They have parking garages all over. You know, here on Friday and Saturday nights they have live music down in this kind of square area where the fountain is. Again, there's Planet Hollywood in the background. So if you got this far in the video, you might want to press like. And if you want to see further videos of Disney, Universal, and other areas here in Central Florida, then subscribe and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when another video gets posted. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Yeah, Ron John's Surf Shop. It's well worth going in and taking a look. Here where the blue umbrellas are is another very popular restaurant called the Polite Pig. It's a very nice place to eat. Eaten there a few times. And across on the other side, on the other corner, is the Uniqlo store, which is another store well worth going to visit. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video coming up soon.